my Integrity Toys drought is over. Briefly, hola high fashion doll lovers, my name is Christopher y bienvenidos to my channel. In today's video, I will be reacting, reviewing, and restyling Sweet Retreat Rayna Amar, the 2024 W Club upgrade doll. For some reason in the back of my mind, that was not trying to come out straight. But before we get into today's video, if this is your first time in my channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button so you can get notified whenever I upload new content. But now, without further ado, let's get into today's video, shall we? I'm literally filming this video fresh off of the mailbox. Okay, maybe not fresh off the mailbox, later in the day. But anyways, Miss Rayna is still in her shipper box. I love to flip this puppy open on camera with you guys. There's just something about taking the box out of the shipper box. It just makes it that much more grand, I think. I was so focused on the shipper box, and this probably blocking most of my lighting, that I forgot how much I missed this tissue paper. Like, honestly, having the upgrade doll for the year in my hand right now and knowing how the year is going so far, it's not a feeling. It's a lot of feelings going on. A lot of feelings. But anyway, go ahead and I swear the paper is like music to my ears. As weird as that may be. Ew, but this smells like a little bit of smell. So here we have our box with our little slip that is just flipping right off. Now this has been the consistent box for a while. If I'm not mistaken, it's our environmentally friendly box. We have our little new face logo right over here, covering the Genuine Integrity Toys logo right on the box. I'll go ahead and remove this puppy right over here because, well, we don't need it. And then it's like a moment of silence for the New Face brand because we literally do not know when we'll see another New Face doll this year. And it is, well, by the time this video comes out, it's August. I was like, it's the end of July, but realistically, it's August, and yeah, it's just sad. It's just sad. It's sad because the two lines that are being pretty much withheld are the two lines that I collect religiously, and it's been hard to like entertain myself with other things because I just don't like all of other things. But it is what it is. We'll move on, okay? We're gonna be very thankful that we have Rayna in front of us, that we have something to play with, that we're really gonna be enjoying. If you haven't checked out my recent Illy Forever videos, they have kept me entertained. You can see some of the fashions here. You know, I'm trying to like fill my time with something else. And I'm probably sure you're like, why is he delaying this moment? I think I'm trying to savor it for as long as I can, because who knows when the next moment like this will happen for me, for Integrity Toys this year. But okay, close our eyes, flip the lid, still a little bit of feeling. Oh, there's that beautiful texture of the shorts right there. Okay, I'm ready. Hello, gorgeous. Oh, you look so pretty inside of the pink box with your pastel outfit. Stunner. Ooh, got a little hair loose in the box. But that's okay, you look fabulous. Your screening is more important than the hair. We could always work with that later. Perfection. Oh, sorry. Forgot you were there for a second. Here's Miss Rayna Amari as she is in the box. I hope you can see that. Due to not having a viewfinder, I have no idea what you're looking at. But it's okay. You're going to get a closer look at her very, very soon. We have our accessories right over here for those that do not know. I will be taking those out shortly. I will be taking her out of the box off camera so we can bond together a little bit. And then when we come back, I will show you how she was intended. We will take a look at all of her items individually. And last but not least, a restyle, because it wouldn't be my channel without one. The question is, what will she wear? But that you don't gotta worry about. So let's check out how she was intended, okay? As standard with Integrity Toys, we have a certificate of authenticity and a doll stand. This Rayna comes with a pair of posing hands, as well as this ring that we can see right here that has a little bit of pearl detail, as well as a pair of holding hands to hold this fabulous purse. Now, this is a new design that I have not seen before in Integrity Toys. We have what I'm now going to call the New Face logo right there. We have a chain that hangs like so. So you can either wear it with this chain on the shoulder, or we can carry it with this one. We have hooks on the side. And as per usual, our bags at Integrity Toys open with a very beautiful pink lining inside. This one is a magnet right there, as you see. Fabulous, fabulous bag. I'm actually really excited to style this with other looks. When it comes to jewelry, this Rayna has a lot. Here we have the bracelet that was really not focusing with my camera. As you can see, we have like a pearl diamond setting. So it's like every other jewel changes. So let's say it's like pearl, diamond, pearl, diamond. It's stunning. Honestly, like, I don't think I've seen something like this before either from Integrity Toys, and I really love this design and would love to see some other colors. We have our New Face logo earrings, a very simple chain necklace, and let me tell you something, when a set has so many things like this Rayna does, something so simple like this really stands out and you appreciate it so much more. Also, as someone who likes to restyle, I think this chain is going to get a lot of action for me because of how simple it is. This Rayna also comes with a pair of hair clips. I've left them on the cardboard simply because I did not use them on the doll currently. She has a lot of gel on her hair, so when I put the hair scarf, or when I put the scarf on her head, I didn't really need them, but I'm sure that these are to kind of secure the scarf to her head. But it's probably going to be easier when there's not as much hair gel in there. So just wanted to show them off this way because it's the simplest way of doing so. Now, I'm going to be honest, when I saw this in the packaging, I actually thought it was a necklace. I forgot that she had a pearl belt, and honestly, it's a detail that I don't think I've ever seen before in doll form or even in human form, and I think it's absolutely the cutest thing ever. Once styled, it was so pretty, and I have to be honest, I can already imagine this on like a very simple dress, very like glammed up, but a little bit more casual. Beautiful, beautiful addition. Definitely, you know, might even try it as a necklace. I feel like if you give it a couple of loops, you can get away with it. Here we have the scarf for her head. You can just fold it in half and it sits quite nicely on her head. It's just a pocket square kind of piece, and you just do it so, place it on her head, and then take the two corners to tie, and very simple, quite nicely. I have yet to try it on to see if I can use it as a top, but I feel like you could get away with it. But do not take my word for it. I'm not 100% sure yet. One pair of socks. Here we have her powder blue pumps. They have a ankle strap and a little bit of a cutout, and then they have an inside lining in gold. Super cute. They actually work really nicely with the socks. I did not have difficulties with these particular shoes, and the ankle straps were also easy to unloop and loop back again. So one of the easier shoes, I must admit. Here we're taking a look at her tweed vest top. It has 3 faux pearl buttons in the front. It has a hook right here for closure. We have beautiful lining inside with the Integrity Toys tag, as you see there, and very beautiful construction, as always with Integrity Toys. You can see a little bit of that purple popping through that you see in the bag, so you can really see how Jessie was inspired with the colors that I use in this outfit from the fabrics, because I even see the baby blue from the shoes and the pink from the lining inside. So it's amazing and super cute to be able to notice where the inspiration for some of the colors that are being used in this look come from. And last but of course not least, we have a pair of pleated shorts that do have open pockets, or pockets at work I should say. We have closure in the back with 2 hooks, and the belt is removable. I decided to keep it on the shorts just for easier view purpose. You see that it has a pearl chain, we can call it, in the back, and a little bit of leather detail in the front, similar to the color you find in the shoes. But before our model heads to our fashion show, let's take a look at her screening. Ah, just stunning. Absolutely stunning. There we go again with the powdered blue color that you see in her shoes, in her eyes. You see that pale pink on the lips that you see in the vest, as well as the scarf. And this particular part of her hair, guys, the amount of gel that is holding this down, there's just a lot of product. This is very, very, very hard. But it's absolutely stunning. Her hair has a slight wave, nice gold coloring in this like chocolatey brown. We have a bit of a curl that's showing there. Just absolutely stunning. And now, off to the fashion show.